Hi guys, good morning. So, today is my flight to Vancouver, Canada. So, nag-iimpake na ako ngayon ng mga damit ko for a week. And normally, I would bring 6 days of worth of clothes. And then, magta-travel tayo sa Heathrow Airport. Then, yung travel time ko from London to Vancouver is around 13 hours. So guys, ito yung mga gamit ko. So I think pack na siya. Nandiyan na yung mga toiletries, clothes and winter clothes. Kasi malamig ngayon sa Vancouver. And meron pa akong isang luggage. So ito yung yung computer ko pang edit. Then yung mga batteries. So see you later sa airport sa Heathrow. So guys, nagda-drive tayo ngayon sa London. Pupunta tayo sa Central London. So I live in Northwest London. So para siyang QC. So imagine niyo doon part ng London. So we're going to Central London, which is like 20 to 25 minutes away from my house. So today it's not raining. Normally ang weather dito sa UK lagi siyang umuulan or umaambon. So but today swerte tayo, hindi siya maulan. So I lived here for 9 years. Magta 10 years na ako sa UK, but galing ako ng Spain. Doon ako stay sa Spain, sa Madrid, and then sa Barcelona. So ito yung yung Abbey Road, yung Beatles yan, tumatawid yung mga tao, nagpapapicture sila. Tignan nyo. Yan, yung famous Abbey Road. Okay. So malapit lang yung bahay ko dito sa famous Beatles photo nung Abbey Road. Picture, famous picture nila, group picture. So nandito na tayo sa Central London. We still have 31 minutes to travel. So ito yung main road nila, Marylebone, connecting Central London to Northwest London. So, ito yung Baker Street. Baker Street, famous tube station. Pag tube station, parang metro yan. Parang MRT sa Philippines. So, tignan nyo, napaka-stricto dito sa UK. Yung left lane na may solid line, dyan lang yung mga bus saka taxi. Di ka pwede pumasok dyan kasi matitikitan ka. Darating na lang yung sulat sa'yo, then kailangan mo bayaran. So, medyo mahal yung ticket dito, parang 5,000 pesos. Pag kinonvert, gano'n. So ito yung kotse ko na ginagamit pag nagta-travel ako pa airport. Iiwan ko to for a week sa airport. So okay lang. Company naman yung nagbabayad ng parking namin. Ito, magandang part to ng London, Marylebone. Nandito yung mga original structures nung 1800s. So pag nakita niyo yung mga design, so famous siya before. So imagine niyo yung mga kalesa, yung mga horse-driven cart. Nandito sila long time ago. 100 years ago, puro kalesa lang yung umaano dito, dumadaan. Yan, bigayan dito. So sa left, ayan yung mga park dito sa London. So ang London, ang dami niyang parks. Parang bawat, ito yung pinakamaraming park na napunta ko na city, tinirahan ko. Bawat borough is like subdivision or village. Meron silang parks na malalaki.
Red light, speed camera ahead.
Yan yung Great Portland Street Station. Ewan ko lang kung nakikita nyo. Yan, Great Portland.
Use the right lane to turn right onto A14, Proctor Street. In 600 feet, use the left lane to stay to the left of A14, Proctor Street.
So maraming red bus dito. Parang may station ng red bus dito sa area na to. I think this is Victoria. Isa sa famous na lugar dito sa London, Victoria. Ito yung Blackfriars Bridge. Then yan yung office namin sa left. So yan yung Thames River.
0.2 miles. You arrive at work.
So guys, so didiretso na tayo sa office and then pick up yung equipment. Then we'll go straight to Heathrow Airport Terminal 4. So skip natin yung video sa pag-pick up ng equipment. So right now, nakuha na namin yung equipment and we're going towards Heathrow Airport Terminal 4. And sa dulo, makikita nyo yung famous landmark. Yan yung Big Ben Tower. Then kasama natin si Tom, my colleague from the office. Yeah, that's the view. Look, I'm recording it.
Gorgeous.
So yung sa baba ng Big Ben clock, yan yung Westminster Parliament Building. Diyan nagsisession yung Prime Minister ng UK at mga MPs. Sila yung gumagawa ng laws. And then yan yung London Eye. Diyan kami nag-New Year. Diyan yung mga fireworks. So every New Year nakasara tong area na to para sa mga spectators ng fireworks. So yan yung famous Big Ben Tower clock. And then sa left, makikita nyo yung mga tourists. Papunta sila sa
Then keep right to A302.
Westminster Abbey Church. So maraming tourists ngayon kasi maganda yung weather. Normally, umuulan sa UK or umaambon. Pero today, maganda yung weather papunta ng Canada. Yan yung mga red bus, double decker. So red yung mga color ng mga buses dito. Makikita nyo sa mga former colony ng UK, Singapore, Hong Kong. Meron sila mga double decker bus. Get the church. So eto na, papunta na tayo airport. Nandito tayo sa may M4. M4 means motorway number 4 or highway. So from central London to airport will take us like 30 to 40 minutes. Depende sa traffic. nandito na kami
Cheers.
sa airport. So, kailangan namin mag-breakfast bago kami mag-board ng airplane. So, guys, dito tayo sa British Airways Lounge. Hanap tayo ng drinks. So, kompleto sila dito. Normally, pag nagta-travel ako, nasa business lounge ako nag-iintay. So, hanap tayo ng may inom. GT. JD.
Welcome on board this British Airways flight today.
So, nandito na tayo. Nag-board na tayo and it will take like 9 hours of flight from London to Vancouver.
Must be placed under the seat in front of you.
My colleague again, Tom.
Hi, what can I get for you?
What do you have? Sorry.
We've got beef or tomato gnocchi. Beef, yeah. Thank you.
Do you have a special?
Yan ang ating lunch of the day. Beef with mashed potato. Tara, kain tayo. So after nito, magre-rest muna tayo. And then, eto na nga, nakarating na tayo sa Vancouver. Medyo nakakapagod din. 9 hours na biyahe. So this is Vancouver International Airport. Welcome to Vancouver. And then, dito nga sa Vancouver, dumating kami, medyo maulan. So, tonight, kakain lang kami dinner and then tomorrow, baka mag-biking kami and mag-iikot ng city. So, from Vancouver to our hotel, mga 20 minutes na biyahe. So guys, this is our first dinner in Vancouver with Tom Patty. Are you enjoying the food?
It's brilliant.
Do you like Korean?
I do. I like chicken.
So I'm surprised he likes kimchi. Normally they don't. Yeah, right?
Racist.
But so far so good. We're enjoying our dinner and then tomorrow we'll be looking for a food hall, a breakfast place nearby our hotel. And then probably biking. We'll do biking tomorrow. So yeah. So see you tomorrow on our Vancouver biking. So guys, kung nagustuhan yung episode 1, paki-follow ako sa Uno Marco and please like, subscribe, and get notified for the next episode. See you soon. Hasta luego. Adios.